Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. So we will continue with chapter 10.3 sound intensity. So learning outcomes 10.3a use sound intensity. Just a quick review that intensity, the formula is I equals to P over A, where P is power and power is energy over time. Okay, so this is a very important formula for you to use in this learning outcome. So let's go through question number 1, exercise 3. A loudspeaker radiates sound wave uniformly in all directions at a distance of 5 meters and the intensity of sound is 0.35 watts per meter square. Calculate the power of the loudspeaker. So it's a very direct question. They ask you about power. So power is equals to, also the one given is intensity. So you want to find power. So power equals to intensity over area, where the area is, this is intensity, 4 pi r square. Okay, so do you have the radius? So it's given here, the radius is 5 meters. So just substitute, the intensity is 0.35 divided by 4 pi 5 square. So press your calculator, your answer should be, so P would be equals to 110 watts. So this is for part A. For part B, so they ask you the sound intensity at a distance 7 meters from the source. So for this time, they want the sound intensity. So that would be P over A. So our P we have obtained from the part A. So let's just substitute 110. So area is 4 pi, but this time the radius is 7. Don't forget to square and press your calculator. Your answer should be 0.179 watts per meter square. So that is for question number 1. For question number 2, a small source emits sound wave with power output of 80 watts. Find the intensity 3 meters from the source. So again, they want the intensity. So for part A, I equals to P over A, where A is 4 pi r square. So 4 pi, the radius is 3. Don't forget to square. So your answer should be 0.707 watts per meter square. So for part B, at a distance, would the intensity be 1/4 as much as it is at 3 meters? So for this case, what we have here is intensity 1. So intensity 1 is where the distance is 3. Okay, where the distance is 3. Okay, let's put here I3. So I3, the intensity we have obtained earlier, which is 0.707. So this is for part B. So they want you to find I at a distance. So we don't know the distance. Okay. So where that would be, it would be 1/4 of that I3. I3, 1/4 of that I3. Okay. So just substitute here 1/4, 0.707. So this one would be power, which is 80 watt over 4 pi r square. So we are looking for our r. So make r as a subject. So you will get r equals to 6 meter. And last but not least, find the distance at which the intensity sound is this, okay? 1 times 10 to the power of negative 8 watts per meter square. So for part C, the intensity is given 1 times 10 to the power of negative 8 watts per meter square. So I equals to P over A. So again, the power is 80. This is 4 pi r square. So they want to find the radius. Okay, the distance. Okay, so 1 times 10 to the power of negative 8. Make R as a subject, and your answer should be 2.52 times 10 to the power of 4 meter. So that is how you do question number 1 and question number 2. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.